Alright, gamers. Bird tin number 2. We're doing Zapdos tonight. And the next one will be Moltres. We're going to start it off again with the Silver Tempest promo thing. So, promo. Duck coin again. And we got the pack. So, let's scooch things around here. Let's crack into this baby. This one might actually have a pretty good one. These packs, I say it a lot now, but these packs actually have been pretty dang decent, as we can tell by the code card, but who knows what that could mean. It's probably just a holographic. It's a standard old holo, nothing crazy. Alright, bang. Filming this right after the last tin because I just like opening cards. I want to open more. Alright, an art rare, or trainer gallery. We got Jinx. I have not seen that artwork before. Cool. Alright, we got another card behind it, and it's going to be a Ursaluna V. Alright. There must be some good seeding with them packs, man, because those are something. I only got one more of them left. So we're going to open that one in the next tin video. But I can get more, and if these pull rates stay good with those little single packs like that, I think I might get some more of them. Alright, let's crack open this Zapdos tin. What else is in this Crown Zenith set? I think there's some gold cards, there's art rares. I don't know what like the bigger chase cards are in this. Probably the gold ones. I'm not exactly sure, because in some instances art rares can be worth more than bigger, crazier cards. But I'm not sure. I don't really keep up with that stuff too much. So let's get this guy out. Alright. There's the Zapdos promo. Really nice looking. Once we see that Moltres one in the next one, that one is amazing. I love that Moltres artwork. Do we got Spanish packs? No, we don't. Alright. These are probably made later. They probably fixed that problem. But yeah, still, would be really funny to get some Spanish packs in an English tin. Oh my god. Okay, that tin did not want to close right, but we got it. We got it. Alright. So, that last tin and the last one really didn't pay off too well. Hopefully this one really pulls out the good cards here. Definitely want to get more Crown Zenith though before it really gets harder to find. I mean, it's not too hard to find now because it's only hasn't been out for too long, you know. So a lot of the products you can still find in the stores pretty easily. They're not too expensive online. But I do want to open more of it before it does get harder to find. I'm not going to spend too long on the packs. I think we're coming up to something. Okay, we got the reverse Salandit. I feel like it has not been called Salandit. I've been calling that one wrong the whole time. Alright. We got the Donald Trump rodent guy on that one. Remember that? Remember when Sun and Moon came out and they showed him off for the first time and everyone just had to bring up how it looked like Trump. Always. It was funny. It was funny. Ooh, funny. And look at where we are now. Alright. 4 to the front. Whoop. Look at me just messing shit up. Alright. Salazzle. Maybe I was calling it Salazzle. I don't remember. Love Disc. Chatot. That's always a cool Pokemon, too. We got that Sharp guy. That's a different... Ooh, Lunatone. hey, we pulled this in the V-Star Universe box. Always good to see it again. These art rares are amazing. I think I said it before, but I'll say it again. I think the art rares are probably one of my favorite rarities for some of these cards. They are just beautiful. And on the end, Glaceon V. I'll take it. Need to get some Evolving Skies. I think it's starting to get more expensive now, but I never opened too much of it. Mainly because cards were hard to get around that time, but there are some crazy evolution cards in that set. Obviously, there's the Umbreon Altart. That's like the card of that set. Would be nice to get it someday. Probably never will, but a man can dream. Alright, this is only the third pack. Cool. Panda. Got the dog. Coming up to the reverse. Yep. Great ball. And a Tangrowth. Okay. I know we got 2 packs. I really want... We got to break even here. I'm not like one of them channels that you always like, the people like when everyone was buying those base set boxes and it's like the real base set, you know, doing it solely for investments. I'm not that kind of person. I don't care if I break even on a product or not. Obviously, to get more valuable cards is always nice, but you know, I just like opening cards. I love collecting them. Not worried about, you know, did I make my money back on this tin? $25. I'm not too worried. A little expensive, but Execute. Has there been an Execute card lately either? Man, that's crazy. All right. Ooh, I got this in the V-Star Universe box too. Plug it. Check out the V-Star Universe box. Radiant Eternatus. And on the end is the Tauros. Okay, well, that's nothing. So, Poland cards I got in Japanese. Doesn't hurt to have them again. I'll always take holographics and stuff. Isn't there a Radiant Char? Yeah, I think there's a Radiant Charizard in this set, isn't there? I don't think it's worth too much, but I would gladly take it over Eternatus. Mainly because I already have it, but anyway, this is the last pack. I believe I said in the last one that I never opened Crown Zenith. I don't know if I did or not, but I was looking at some of my cards that I had, and there were some Crown Zenith pulls in there because I pulled that Rockruff in the last that first Articuno tin, and I already had that card, and I think in the video where I opened that Rotom tin, there must have been Crown Zenith in there. I don't know. But I have that card. I don't know where else I would have gotten it from. And we got a lion on the end of that. So, hey guys, future me coming back in again because I'm just not smart. This is the Rockruff that I pulled. And for some reason I completely forgot that is the Silver Tempest set symbol. So, again, ignore me talking about how I may have gotten Crown Zenith packs out of a Rotom tin. That did not happen. They were definitely Silver Fate, Shining. God damn it, what is it called? Silver Tempest. I think I almost said Shining Fates, but no, Silver Tempest. This is Silver Tempest. Here's the one that I pulled before, and it is also Silver Tempest. So no, I did not get Crown Zenith packs out of a Rotom tin, and these tins are the first time I've opened Crown Zenith before. Alright, got it out. Case closed. Yeah, nothing too crazy in there. Hang on a second. I was looking around. I found a couple things I can open. I'm not done. I want to open something else. We'll start with this one. We'll start with the yellow one. We'll save that other one for something else. We'll save that for maybe the end of that third tin. Knockout Collections. It's got 3 promo cards, coin, and 2 packs. So we'll dive into this. Why not? Video isn't too long yet, and I want to open more stuff. So, oh, okay, stuff is sliding out. Oh, wait, there's Evolving Skies in there. All right, so there's a chance to get the Umbreon. I really doubt we're gonna get it, but we got the cat coin. Let me get these promos out of here without damaging them. Okay, they're in this. They're in one of these. You know, I think I've opened one of these a while back, so it would be cool to keep. Oh, promos don't look much. We're gonna open this up. I was gonna say it'd be kind of cool to keep the promos cards in their little thingy. I'm keeping code cards. I used to give out code cards, but I want to use them for something in the future. But we got Toxtricity, Duraludon, and we got Sandaconda. It is cool to see some new promos that aren't the Oricorio ones over and over and over again. 2 packs, Evolving Skies and Fusion Strike. We're going to do this one first. We're going to try hoping we can get something really good out of that Evolving Skies. I think these are still the same card trick, right? Yeah. Dunsparce, Cramomatic. We got Lapras, Quillfish, Vulpix, Chansey, Zigzagoon, Monkey, Slugma, and Absol. Okay. We're really putting some hope on that, on this Evolving Skies pack. I really don't want to spoil myself with the code card. I'm gonna close my eyes and take the code card off the pack because I do not want to see it. I'm just gonna throw it on the ground. Okay. Watch that not be the code. That wasn't the code card. Okay. What fucking card did I throw on the ground? Fucking this piece of shit. Get it out of here. Oh, spoiled myself on that. Probably not gonna get nothing. What a great way to end the video. My hopes went up and they came crashing down. Awesome. Cool. Still had fun. Crown Zenith tins are really cool. I feel like we got more on the art. No, yeah, I think we got some more art rares than other ones. Let's see. Really don't like messing with these while they're not sleeved, but let's see. We got the Radiant Eternatus, the Glaceon, got the Lunatone Alt Art, got that promo, and then those are from the other pack. So not too bad. It's cool to get them. You know, I actually pretty much every pull out of that tin besides the Glaceon I pulled in the V-Star Universe box. So I'd really like to see something that I didn't already pull. There are so many good cards in this set, and I'm pulling ones I've already seen. I want to see the ones I haven't seen. I'm complaining too much. We got one more tin to open. I'm probably going to get more Crown Zenith stuff anyway. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do all the things. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.